In this lesson, we are going to solve a word problem that involves decimals. So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha had 0.5 grams of chocolate. Then she used 0.3 grams of chocolate to make some cookies. How much chocolate does Natasha have left? So we need to subtract the numbers, right? So subtract the number of grams because she starts with this many and then she uses this many. So we need to find out what's left. This amount is taken away. So 0.5 minus 0.3. Remember to line up the decimals, okay? The decimals have to be lined up. So we do the subtraction. Pretend as if the decimal is not there. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then you have to make sure you line up the decimal. It has to be in the same spot, and then you put a 0 in front, okay? So Natasha has 0.2 grams of chocolate left. That's how much she has left. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. Also, if you need extra help, there's links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it with a link to this video. It'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.